class. Yesterday we learned this long vowel sound. Do you remember what it sounds like? Yes, this is the long O sound. O, yellow. Today we're going to learn two new ways to write that long vowel O sound. O. One of them is O-E, as in t-o, toe. When you see an O and an E together, it's going to make that first vowel say its name. O, O. Another way to write that long vowel sound O is, oops, I have it written multiple times. O-A, O-A, that is an O, as in goat, G-O-T, O. All right, are you ready to read some long vowel O words? Here we go. K, O, T. Great. A fabulous drawing of a coat. Here's another one. I didn't know what to draw for Joe. All right. You might not know this word. This is a female deer. This looks a bit like a dog, but it's supposed to be a female deer. This guy's been eating a lot of, well, you'll see. If it was plural, though, it would be spelled different. You might put this on a sunburn. We're all using a lot of because we're washing our hands so much. And this is sort of an interesting word. It's like an enemy, like someone you really don't like is your All right, now we're going to look at some longer words that have multiple vowel pairings in them, all right? This is going to be a throwback. Do you remember what sound I-A make when they're together? Yes, A-I makes the long vowel A sound. So we have A here. Now I want you to look at this word. And if it looks a little long or difficult, what strategies could we use to make it easier to read? What do you think? Could we look for words that we already know inside of it? Do you see any words you know inside of this word already? I think I see one for me. And maybe we could, another strategy could be we could break it up. So let's look for a word we know. I see rain, rain. And I see another word I know actually. Oat, coat. And then you push that all together. What word is that? All right, we have another longer word here. What strategy would you use to read this word? Break it up? Look for words you already know? Could you slide through all these sounds? It's up to you. All right, and now the last one. O, ch, k, a, k, r, o, ch. Good. All right, now you're going to do a worksheet that's going to relate to all of these long vowel O sounds. Great.